Namaste. Welcome to BHPM Spirituals. Today's subject is man is only animals. Man is social animal. It was true when it said, but today man is just an animal. Nowadays people eat your salt to make salt bastard. It is necessary to make the new generation aware of society and social sciences. Today I will talk about every society: bird society, animal society, society of transgenders, and community of sons. Stay with us in this wonderful spiritual episode. Birds, animals, eunuchs, and saints, how their society is formed. First understand it. When someone like them is found, their society is formed because there is no such condition in their society. But as soon as you want to meet in the society of this social animal named human, then first you have to make a relationship. It will not happen just by having a relationship. You have to build a relationship. One makes the more relatives he will have. The works is same, which of living beings do voluntarily. It is imposed on humans. The work is same. If it is done with will, then it is not less than a miracle. If it is done without the will, then it is called rape. That's why I want to hand over the Vedas to the new generation so that they can understand the difference between right and wrong. Today the whole world has become like a salesman. Someone sells his body, someone sells his faith, someone sells his religion, someone sells his knowledge. Blessed are those who earn their living by selling their knowledge. Go back to the Vedas. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, Vaishnava, nothing. The Vedas should be taught to all. Where did those Aryans go? Where did the Saivas go? Where did Sita Mata go? Why are you committing sins on sins? Fear Shiva. Shiva is the embodiment of destruction. Thank you.